Hey boy, Hulyan, what's up?
A German machine gun.
A German machine gun? Is that your new toy gun?
Yeah.
Wow,
It's
nice.
a secret. Look at this.
Oh, this one.
It's a shotgun.
It looks like a machine gun, not a shotgun.
But the sound is like bam.
Bam 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 bam.
What the hell?
Huh?
Help.
Here. Let me see this. Another machine gun.
And the other is a shotgun.
What?
With a knife. A shotgun with a knife.
A shotgun with a knife. Okay.
Tiki Mas. Bundan, bundan.
Alright, so let's read everything I can read on the box. Alright, so it says a machine gun high toy set. Superpower with flashlight and sound effects. Nice. A battery operated gun. Nice. So it lights up and it vibrates. And there's the battery compartment. So we need to put 3 AA batteries. Oh, here, Hulyan. Hold this one. And let me see this one. Thank you. Firepower. Alright. Double action semi-automatic design. Completed high grade. The best for ages 3 and up. That's what it says on the box. So this gun is also battery operated. But for this gun, we need 6 AA batteries. 6 AA batteries. Wow, that's a lot. So how many batteries do you see, Hulyan?
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There you go, 9 batteries, Hulyan.
Yeah.
Good job. You know how to count, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ah, there's something like a fly on me. My cheekbones. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
I had 2 guns from China.
Yes. 2 guns from China.
We buy it. We bought it from China.
Chinatown, Hulyan.
Yeah, Chinatown. China Western Nut. China Boogie Baka. Yeah.
So which one do you want to open first, Hulyan? This one? Alright, Nani. Open the box.
Open the box. You need to say, can you assemble it? Yeah, you need to.
Yeah, it needs to be assembled.
Yeah, there's still tape to make it too close. When it's upside down, it's like a something. But when it's turned, oh,
There.
yeah,
Nice.
this is like, it's like this. It's almost up like it's like a dipping gun.
Like what kind of gun?
This gun, it's like this. When it's like this, it's like a dipping gun. Yeah, man.
Like a Colt 45?
This is the scope. Where do you put the scope? Up here, up there. This is like a grenade, right? When it's like this, it's like a grenade. Grenade! It shapes like a grenade, right?
A grenade? It's
Yeah.
not a grenade.
But it's not like this straight, but it's like a grenade. Here. It's like when it's like this, it's like a. Okay, where is it? Maybe it's up here. No, that's
Ooh, big stomach. Mommy has a big stomach. Because there's a baby inside. Look, Hulyan, the stand.
Oh, it's like a third.
That's the stand.
It's like a, yeah, it's a stomach up.
And look at these bullets. Alright.
Higher, Mama! I'm a gun.
Alright. It's time to assemble the gun.
Higher, Mama! bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. You can have it like this, because it's like a machine gun. It's like this, with a machine gun. But not like sniper, it's like that.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Wait,
done.
Hulyan, not yet.
You're so
Scope
excited.
goes on the top, right? And it's done. It goes like this.
The gun needs to be assembled
This
first,
one
Hulyan.
is
Yeah, I know. I know.
And we need to put 3 AA batteries.
Yeah,
Check
3
this.
AA batteries. A buta buta. It's joking. The shotgun is like a
Where are we
sniper.
gonna put the batteries?
How can you connect them?
Yeah. How? We'll
Well,
see.
here, read the instruction.
It's a circle. It should be like a circle.
Okay.
Yeah, just connect it. Yeah, that easy. Simple. There you go.
Sure.
Okay.
Now the
so-
gun is fully assembled.
Yes.
All we need to do is to put 3 AA batteries.
Gosh! And I'm waiting because I get to see what it looks like now. I want to see it.
Get the screwdriver, Rhea.
Yeah. Bang! So dirty.
Bam, 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 bam.
Bang!
Alright.
Ah, this is the size. 2 batteries, that's all? Mommy. It's a tiny.
3 batteries, Hulyan.
Oh, 3 batteries in this. 1, 2, 3 batteries at this.
Okay.
Okay. 2 more.
Stand should be one here somewhere to make it standing up.
And
wait.
1 more.
One more to go, and then we're done.
Yeah. Let's check.
Ooh, nice.
Okay.
Wait, Hulyan. Wait,
Oh,
wait.
the cover.
Excited.
You're so excited, huh? Woo!
That's sniper noise. But I wanted to make it. Oh, it's a machine gun noise. How can I make one shot? Mommy.
Oh.
It's a sniper, but it shoots for like a lot of shots.
Yeah.
It's a sniper rifle, but it's a want some shots to make it fire. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
There you go.
let's see.
Nice.
Nice.
Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's nice. Hiya.
Nice. So awesome.
Oh, do not mix any white. Because this here.
Hulyan, use this one.
The stand.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's. I want how
Put
you
it in the grass. Like. Come on.
And then you should be on your chest, Hulyan. On your chest, Hulyan. On your chest.
Yes. Here?
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Maybe I like it better without it. Hiya.
Fire! Yeah! There you go. Kill the enemies. Nice. Soldier boy, Hulyan.
Okay. Can you open that one?
The other one.
Yeah, while you're like playing.